Uh, and I lose that one again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Okay, today I'm going to tease my mom, first of all. My mom is a junk food holic, and her favorite junk food is sea salt caramel ice cream, which is her favorite. But she also has two other vices: chicken fingers and French toast. Well, today's video, I'm going to make her salted caramel on Texas toast, making French toast with salted caramel. Come on and join me. All right, so first things first, guys, is that we have to get this melted down. As you can see, it's already been hit.
It was good.
I'm sure it was. All right, we're going to go with about a cup. Now, with sea salt caramel, you see all those little chocolate caramel chunks in there? Oh, that's delicious. They are going to really, really make this really, really good.
Is it done yet?
Oh, wait your turn. It'll be done in a minute. All right, go ahead and put this in a microwave. We want to melt this down so we can coat the bread. All right, so I put this in the microwave for 1 minute and pour it right out. Oh, come on. Get all those chunkies out of there. My mom's over here trying to lick the spoons. But we should have enough to make a couple of them. We should be able to get 2 at a time done. Let me take you over here to the stove. All right, so I got a little skillet here. Get a little bit of butter. I think this is going to be really good, guys. I love sea salt caramel. So does Mom. Hey, do me a favor. If you haven't done it so far, check out the other video where I made the chicken fingers for Mom. I'll leave a link for it somewhere up there. We'll flip them over. Right on. Oh, yeah. Got a piece of caramel in that one. Oh. Let these brown up. We'll get the next 2 done. All right, guys. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh. Sea salt caramel French toast. How do you go wrong with that? That's looking really good. Put some more butter down there. Let's get the other 2 pieces on there. This is definitely definitely a fun way to make French toast. Alrighty, these are done. Let's get them off the stove. Let's have a taste test. They look absolutely fantastic. They had, guys, I wish you had smell-o-vision. I really do. All right, got them off the stove. Get a little bit of butter on there. And we can't forget the maple syrup, can we? Guys, do they not look good? Oh, look at them. Look at those, guys. They look absolutely fantastic. And it smells like caramel. It smells like caramel ice cream. Now some maple syrup. Add some maple syrup right to them. All right, guys, so let's get some maple syrup on these. Now let's have a taste test. Oh. Yeah, I can hear Mom's stomach growling over there.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, let's go grab a picture, and then we'll have a taste test. All right, guys, let's have a taste test, see how we did. Got Mom here. Just take it. And I lose that one again. All right, guys, do me a favor. I hope you like, subscribe, and share us with your friends. But until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.